Today I'm going to show you how to make this animation using Canva. Go to Canva and click video. Choose video landscape. Let's drag our image to the design. Increase the size. Go to edit. Blur. Click whole image and increase the intensity. Go to animate, scroll down to breathe and click in and go to elements and type bokeh graphics. Let's choose this one. Increase the size and click animate, scroll down, click rotate. Go to elements again and type wood surface photos. Let's choose this one. You can remove the background or just crop it from here. Let's remove the background and increase the size and go to elements, scroll down to frames, choose the circle, place it in the middle and drag the video that you are going to use inside the circle. Double click, adjust the position of the video inside the frame. Go to elements and type bubble graphics. Choose any style. Let's use this one. Decrease the size to fit exactly the circle. And go to elements again, type light, choose this one, place it in this corner, decrease the size, place it here, and animate with rotate as well. And last step, go to elements and type shadow graphics and choose this shadow and place it in the bottom. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.